Now question number 17 on page 400. This question is based on geometry, plane geometry. Uh, a triangle is given which looks like this. This angle is 90 degrees. This side is equal to this side, and that's 10 square root 2. 10 square root 2. The triangle is named as A, B and C. Then there is a perpendicular from B onto the base AC, so that's 90, and midpoint of this side and midpoint of is E, and midpoint here is F. They are joined, and then there is a perpendicular from these points, and what we get is a rectangle, which is the shaded rectangle, and we are asked to find area of this rectangle. There is a theorem that says that if there is any triangle, and if you take midpoint of this side and join this, then this line is parallel to this line, and this triangle, small triangle, and the original triangle, they will be similar triangles. That means their angles will be same, and that's obvious. This becomes parallel. This angle is equal to this angle, this equal to this angle, and this one is common, and so they are similar triangles. Because this is half, this equal to this, and this equal to this, this side has to be half of this. So this theorem is used here. So one can say that EF is 1/2 of AC. But how do we find AC? This is a right angle triangle, so AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, and so if you square that, that will be 100 times 2 plus 100 times 2, which is 400, and so AC is 20. If AC is 20 and this is perpendicular, and if I call this as D, then AD is 10, because this is 45 degrees and this is AD, this is 45 degrees. Perpendicular on isosceles triangle will divide the base in equal halves. So AD is equal to BD, which is again 10. Now this is half, this is equal to this, and this is perpendicular. That means this line is parallel to this. This is divided in equal halves. So if this is 10, then this will be 5. Now EF, this is going to be half of this by the same theorem. So AC was 20, so EF is 10, and I call this as EG, and EG is 5, which is half of BD. So the rectangle will have area 10 times 5, which is EF times EG, so that is 50, and so the answer is going to be C. Actually, one doesn't do this whole derivation. You simply go on writing, and if you have to do this on a test, the method will be something like this. note that this angle is 90. AB and BC are equal. This is parallel because going through half. So instantly EF can be written as half of AC. How do we find AC? By Pythagorean theorem, which gives immediately 20. So this becomes 10. If this is 10, then this is 10, because this is 45, this is 45. So this is 5. And then 10 times 5 is 50. This is how it would be done on a test, instead of doing this whole derivation.